So in this session we will discuss about how to delete multiple images for an employee along with employee data from MySQL as well as MongoDB. Okay, so this is the flowchart. Same flowchart for deleting single image for employee and employee data. Okay, so here employee number we will pass as a request, and we will check whether that employee number exists in database or not. If it is exist, then we will get the images paths from for that employee and delete the images from upload folder. After that, we will delete the data from employee data from MySQL or MongoDB. If the employee number does not exist in database, then we will display like employee number does not exist. Okay, so here this is the steps. First of all, we have to create the store procedure and call the store procedure. Okay, so if the employee number not exist, we have to give the message like not exist from MySQL store procedure. If the employee number exists, we will delete the employee data, delete the details and give success message and delete the image for that employee from folder. Okay, so here these are the test cases. If the employee number exists, then we will check whether that employee number has images or not. If the employee number has images, then we have to delete that images from uploads folder and delete the employee data from table. If the employee does not have any images, then directly we can delete the employee data. Okay, no need to go to the folder. So if the employee number does not exist, so we will give employee number does not exist message. Okay, so this is the test cases. So first we will write store procedure. So create store procedure, delete underscore emp multiple images, and here parameter is p underscore emp number, and exception handling code I am going to take. So here I am going to declare one variable which is used to store the all images path. So all images path. Okay, so here data type is JSON and default here. First of all, I am going to check whether that employee number exists in database, I mean table. So emp where emp number equal to p underscore emp number, begin end else and if. Okay, so if the employee number does not exist, I am going to give the message like do not one as status code and use concat of p underscore emp number and does not exist as message, and here I'm going to return this variable. If the employee number exists, then write the same select query here. Why? Because we need image paths. Okay. So here, what will be the column name? All image paths. So all image paths. Okay. So same column name I am using here for variable. So after taking this, you can delete it. Okay, so this is the query. After this, select 200 as status code and delete success as message and so this variable I am going to return. Okay, so here procedure is completed, and go to the Node API, and here EMP controller, EMP MySQL controller belongs to MySQL. So here router.post delete multiple images and request response. So use try catch. res dot send new error response of 400 error dot message, and here let body equal to request dot body and let params equal to body dot emp number and let call store procedure equal to set at the rate p underscore emp number equal to and call what is the store procedure name. Take that store procedure name and copy here and so next db pool dot query of call store procedure and params and error callback function result. So if any error comes, then you just copy this one, paste it here. If no error, then we have to write the condition that result dot length greater than params dot length. Else res dot send new error response of, you can write 201 or no response from DB. Okay, So if any response comes from DB, then take the response in one variable. Let response equal to result of params dot length. Okay. Now you have to check if response dot status code equal to 200, then what we have to write it. If there else, okay, so else means go to the procedure. It will return two types of responses, 200 and 201. If you have 201 as a status code, so write the bind the response. So new error response and response dot status code response dot message. Okay, that means employee does not exist. Okay, this type of message we will return if the status code not equal to 200. So if the status code equal to 200, then here we need to check whether that employee will have image paths or not. Okay, so if response dot take this key name image paths exist and response dot image paths dot length greater than 0, so it is array. Okay, then only we will confirm that that employee is having some images. Okay, else, so employee does not have any images, so same response I am giving. So here 200 will come at this point. Okay, if you want you can write API response, that is for successful message. So 200 will come and delete will be success. Here you have to write like and employee does not have any images. Employee did not have any images. Okay, this type of response I am giving. So here what will be condition here? Status code is 200 and employee is having images. Okay, so what we have to do? Write the for loop I less than I plus plus and fs dot unlink of I comma error callback. So if any error comes, then you can write console.log error.message. If there is no error, then console.log write delete success and file deleted. I'm going to give that file name. So which file has been deleted? Okay, so after iterating the for loop, I am giving res.send the response. So here delete success and employee images for employee from upload folder has been deleted. Okay, so this type of message I am giving. So we will check. Before that, I am going to delete this uploads folder. And this is the insert API. So I am going to call the insert API for MySQL. Okay, so here 4 files are being uploaded and the employee number is 10. And see that in MySQL there are no employee records. Okay, now we will check it. So one employee record has been inserted and that is having image paths. Okay, and one more employee detail I am going to insert 11B 3000. For this employee I am not giving any images. So okay, now we will check. So what will be the method name? Delete, and here body employee number and 10 11 are there. Initially I'm going 12, which is not available in database. So fail. Status code. So we have to get the message like employee number does not exist. Why we are getting fail message? Underscore employee number. Okay, we will check by using debugging. So employee does not exist. We are getting from DB. Status 400, it is taking default value, ERR response. Status code key name is correct. Status code and message. Okay, so I didn't put this 0th position. So now ERR response. See, employee number does not exist. Okay, so if I give 11, then what will happen? So what type of message we have to get means employee number is deleted and delete success, and employee did not have any images. Delete success and EMP did not have any images. Okay, so we will check it. See that 11 employee number has been deleted. Okay, and if I give 10, these images has been deleted. Okay, if I give 10, these images will be deleted. So delete success, images for employee from upload folder has been deleted. So this is okay. So there is no images in uploads folder. So now our 3 test cases we have tested. So if the employee has images, delete the images for employee in upload folder and delete EMP data. If the EMP does not have any images, delete the EMP data and give the message like that employee did not have any images. If the EMP number does not exist, just give the message EMP does not exist. These 3 test cases we have tested successfully. So this is the API.